Welcome to the third part of the video, Manufacturing Industries. In this video, we'll see about aluminium smelting. Aluminium smelting is the second most important metallurgical industry in India. It is light resistant to corrosion, a good conductor of heat, malleable and becomes strong when it is mixed with other metals. It is used to manufacture aircraft. Now, why do we manufacture aircraft with this aluminium? Because aluminium is very light. Utensils and wires are also made with aluminium. It has gained popularity as a substitute of steel, copper, zinc, and lead in a number of industries. So it also gives base to other industries. Aluminium smelting plants in the country are located in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. In 2008-9, India produced over 15 to 12 to 29 lakh million tons of aluminium. Bauxite, the raw material used in the smelters, is a very bulky, dark reddish colored rocks. Regular supply of electricity and an assured source of raw material at minimum cost are the two prime factors for the location of the country. Now we'll see about chemical industry. Chemical industry in India is a fast growing and diversifying. It contributes approximately 3% of the GDP. It is the third largest in Asia and occupies the 12th place in the world in terms of its size. It comprises both large and small scale manufacturing units. The chemical industry is its own largest consumer industry. So, because the basic chemicals undergo processing to further produce other chemicals that are used for industrial applications, agriculture, or directly for the consumer markets. There are two types of chemical industry: organic and inorganic chemicals. So, organic chemicals include petrochemicals, whereas inorganic chemicals include sulfuric acid. So here we see fertilizer industry. The first fertilizer plant in India was set up at Ranipat in Tamil Nadu in 1906. As you know that fertilizer industries are mainly centered around the production of nitrogenous fertilizers. At present, there are 10 public sectors undertakings and one in cooperative sector at Hazira in Gujarat. The next industry, mineral based, is cement industry. Cement is essential for construction activity such as building houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dams, and for all other commercial establishment. So whatever construction work we do, without cement, it's not possible. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904. The next is automobile industry. These are the logos of different automobile companies which the children are very fond of. So, automobile provide vehicles for quick transport of goods, services, and passengers. Trucks, buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters, three-wheelers, and multi-utility vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers. So, in India, mainly it is located in Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, and Bengaluru. Now, the last is IT, Information Technology and Electronic Industry. You can see the circuit here. So electronic industry covers a wide range of products from transistor sets to television, telephone. The Bangalore is called the Silicon Valley of India. There are many software technological parks which is coming up in India, about 46 locations at different centers in India. Major impact of this industry has been employment generation. Many people are getting job in this sector. So these are the different technological park you can see in different parts of India. So now we'll see about industrial pollution and environmental degradation. First of all, air pollution. Air pollution is caused by the emission of CO2, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. Chimneys of the industries produce heat leading to global warming and greenhouse effect. Use of CFC in various industrial products depletes ozone layer which filters ultraviolet rays of the sun. Air pollution affects the human health of humans, animals and plants alike and also causes damage to buildings. The next domain which is affected by the industries are the water pollution. Dumping of organic and inorganic industrial waste into water bodies pollute the water. Water pollution is also caused by the discharge of the untreated chemical waste like dyes, detergent, acids, heavy metals like lead and mercury, plastic fertilizers, etc. Industries which produce paper pulp, chemical leather, acid dyes, fertilizers generate lots of toxic waste which kills the aquatic life. Next is thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water occurs when hot water from factories and thermal plants is drained into rivers and ponds before cooling, which affects the aquatic animals. Next, noise pollution. High intensity sound generated by running machines, siren, drilling, fans, etc. leads to noise pollution. It causes irritation, hearing impairment, heart attack, etc. among the nearby people. Now we need to control this environmental degradation. Now, how can we control this? Minimizing use water for processing by reusing and recycling it into or more successive stages, harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements, treating hot water and effluents before releasing them in rivers and ponds. Treating of industrial effluents can be done in three phases: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Noise absorbing materials may be used. Here you can see National Thermal Power Station Corporation Limited. Now, it's a major power providing corporation in India. It has ISO certification. The corporation has proactive approach for preserving the natural environment and resource like water, oil and gas and fuels in places where it is setting up power plants. It also minimizes waste generation by maximizing ash utilization, providing green belts for nurturing ecological balance and addressing the question of special purpose vehicles for afforestation, ecological monitoring, reviews, and online database management for all its power stages. That's all in this chapter, children. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much.